Hey everybody, what's up? It's Nick here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can go ahead and change your Windows system sounds. So anyway, what we're going to be doing basically is we're going to be taking the boring sounds that Windows normally makes and we're going to change them to something a little differently so that you have, a little difference when you're going ahead and just doing your everyday tasks in Windows, so you don't have those same boring Windows sounds. So anyway, to go ahead and do this is actually very simple. The first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a whole bunch of sound files that you want to go ahead and replace the original files with. So to do that, I downloaded a whole bunch of files here, as you can see here, and I downloaded them all from this website, which is soundbible.com/tag/computer.html. And basically it's this whole list of computer sounds, and if you guys want a link to this, I'll link it in the description. But as you can see here, they have a whole bunch of stuff. So if I click on Robot Blip and click play, it has a little sound effect right there, as you guys could hear. And I downloaded a whole bunch of sound effects from there, and they're all in here. And let me just go ahead and show you guys a couple. So here's computer error. And here's another computer error. And here's the startup sounds. And there's a whole bunch more, and you can go ahead and use any of the sound effects that you guys like, any of the sound effects that you guys like to use. I'm just choosing these as an example just to go ahead and show you guys. So anyway, if you guys want to go ahead and change your system sounds, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Start, go to Control Panel, and you want to go ahead and make sure that you're set on Control Panel Home, and you want to go here to Hardware and Sound. And then once you're on there, as you can see here under Sound, here's Change System Sounds. And once we're in there, it'll come up with this dialog box right here. So as you can see here under sounds, you can go here and change the sound. So here's the Windows default, and as you can see here, if I double click on any of these and click test, these are basically the default sound effects. So let's go ahead and find like you see this default beep. Let's say I want to go ahead and change that. So I'm going to go to Browse, and as you can see here, they're all here in Windows and in Media. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move this computer sound effects folder somewhere where I can go ahead and find it later. So for the purposes of this, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go to Computer. I'm going to go to Windows, and if we go into Windows, then I find that Media folder. So just go in here, Media. Here are all of the sound effects, and as you can see in here, here's the screensavers as well. So I'm going to simply paste in that folder, and it's up here, computer sound effects. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, if we go back to the sound menu, I'm going to go ahead and replace this default beep with a new effect. So I'm going to go to Browse and computer sound effects, and let's say we choose computer error alert. Choose that, and then all of a sudden it plays that beep, and as you notice, the little icon here is yellow, which means that we've gone ahead and changed it. So we can go ahead and change Device Connect as well. So let's go to Browse, Computer Sound Effects, and do I want that? That actually sounds pretty good. And you can go ahead and change them for any of the other sound effects that you want to, just in case you want to go ahead and change all of your other sound effects. I'm not going to do any more for the purposes of this video, but all you need to do after you've changed all your sound effects is you need to go here to Save As. And I want to save it as I don't know, beeps changed 1, just because I changed the beeps. And then as you notice, it'll appear over here in the drop down menu, beeps changed 1, and all you need to do to apply it is click apply, and then you're pretty much done, and those are applied. And if you want to go ahead and apply the default sound effects back, all you need to do is you need to change it to Windows default and click apply. However, I'm going to go here and I'm going to just play this again. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's how you can go ahead and change your Windows system sounds. I believe it works the same way on XP and 7. However, I think they might be located in a different spot. But all you need to do really is you just need to go to the control panel, and you need to find the sounds preferences. And basically, all you need to do is just change your system sounds. So basically, if you're on any other operating system, navigate to control panel and hardware and sound. But anyway, that's pretty much it. That's how you can go ahead and change your system sounds in Windows. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video. Thanks for watching, and if you guys wanted the link to this, I'll post it in the description as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.